A major winter storm is heading our way, bringing snow to the Northeast and Mid-Atlantic states. And that's just the start, as an Arctic blast moves in from the north, sending temperatures plunging. We're talking record-low highs and bitter cold wind chills. How low will the mercury dip? Let's break down the forecast and show you how to stay safe and warm. Good morning. Let's start with a look at the weather across the country this morning. A band of snow stretches from the northeast down through the mid-Atlantic, and it's going to be a chilly day for many in these regions. The snow's not sticking around too long, but it's a reminder that winter's here. We're also seeing some lake-effect snow further west. With a quick burst of activity expected today, it will be followed by a sharp drop in temperatures as a real Arctic blast moves in. Some areas up north could see record low highs today, and it'll be bitterly cold. Further south, freeze warnings are in place as far down as Georgia and northern Florida. It's going to be a chilly day for many across the southeast too. Out west is a different story. The plains and the west are enjoying unseasonably warm temperatures today. Upper ridging brings that warm weather into the region, while a deep upper-level low sits over the Pacific Northwest, bringing heavy rain. That rain will be a feature of the next few days out west, with potential flooding a concern by mid-week. In the Great Lakes region, it's cold and snowy. Chicago and the surrounding areas are in for a cold day with some moderate snowfall. The snow's going to hang around until tomorrow evening in some places, so be prepared for tricky travel conditions. Now let's look ahead at the forecast over the next few days. We've got a dynamic weather pattern coming in across the country. An atmospheric river is targeting the Pacific Northwest and Northern California. This will bring more flooding risks to an area that's already seen a lot of rain recently. As this system moves east, it'll bring some heavy snow to the higher elevations further inland. While this is happening, we've got a quasi-zonal flow bringing fast-moving embedded systems across the country. This means above-average temperatures for many, but the north will be colder as these systems move through. It's a pattern that's fairly certain, but the exact details are still a bit unsure. We could see some robust weather activity, so stay tuned for updates. Now let's focus on the Ohio Valley region. It's a chilly start across the region this morning, and you'll definitely need to bundle up if you're heading out early. Wind chills are below zero in some places, so be prepared.
In Illinois, it's a cold day for Chicago, with a high of just 13 degrees.
Aurora and Naperville are even colder, only reaching 8 and 9 degrees respectively. The good news is that the overnight lows aren't as bad as the last few nights, and we'll see temperatures gradually rise through the day. Moving into Indiana, it's a similar story. Indianapolis will be lucky to reach double digits, while Fort Wayne sits just below at 18 degrees. Evansville should see some clearer skies later on, but it's going to be a cold night tonight, dropping down to 7 degrees. Kentucky's looking at some snow this morning. Louisville and Lexington could see a dusting, but it'll clear later on with some sunny spells. Bowling Green is a bit warmer and won't see any significant snow. Ohio's in for a mix of sun and cloud. Columbus and Cincinnati are both around 18 and 14 degrees today. Cleveland's colder at 12, and the city could see some snow tonight and into Sunday. Half a foot of snow is possible in some areas, so be ready for that if you're heading out. Over in Pennsylvania, it's a snowy start in Pittsburgh and Allentown. Pittsburgh's high will only reach 17 degrees, while Allentown's a bit warmer at 28. Philadelphia's got some blowing snow this morning, but it'll let up later on, with temperatures dropping throughout the day to around 23 degrees. That's your forecast for today from Weatherby. Stay weather aware and have a great day.